Read-this.ai is making waves as one of the newest and most exciting tools in the AI space. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just someone trying to make sense of the latest tech, you'll want to stick around because I'm about to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful software. First off, Read-this.ai isn't just another AI tool on the market. It's designed to make your content creation process simpler, faster, and more efficient. If you're tired of spending hours brainstorming and writing content, this could be your new best friend. But don't just take my word for it. Keep watching to see how it actually works and how it can save you both time and money. So, what's the big deal with Read-this.ai? For starters, it uses a sophisticated natural language processing engine to generate high-quality content with just a few inputs. You simply tell it what you're looking for, and it will write articles, blogs, or even scripts that are incredibly well-structured and engaging. This isn't just about producing words on a page. It's about creating meaningful content that speaks directly to your target audience. One of the most impressive features of Read-this.ai is its ability to adapt to different tones and styles. Whether you're writing a formal white paper, a casual blog post, or an engaging social media caption, this tool can switch gears and produce content in the voice that fits your brand. This adaptability is crucial for businesses looking to maintain a consistent tone across all their channels without needing multiple content creators. Another big advantage is its integration with SEO tools. Read-this.ai helps you create content that not only reads well, but also ranks well. It provides keyword recommendations and helps you optimize your writing for better search engine visibility. This means you don't have to manually research SEO keywords for every single piece of content you write. Read this. AI handles that for you, saving you hours of tedious work. The software also offers powerful analytics. It gives you real-time feedback on the performance of your content, allowing you to adjust and improve as you go. This data-driven approach is incredibly valuable, especially if you're working with limited resources and want to maximize the impact of every piece of content you create. But here's the kicker. Read-this.ai isn't just for content marketers. It's a great tool for business owners, freelancers, or anyone who needs to streamline their content production process. If you're managing a blog, running an e-commerce site, or even creating training materials, Read-this.ai can help you crank out content faster and more efficiently. It's about working smarter, not harder. Now, I know you're probably wondering how much all of this costs. Well, the good news is that you can try Read-this.ai completely free. That's right, if you're interested in giving it a shot, the first link below will take you to a free trial so you can test it out without any commitments. Don't miss this chance to see how this innovative tool can change your content creation process. And before you go, I want to remind you that after trying thousands of AI software options, I've narrowed down my top recommendations. You can find those in the description below, all of which you can try for free, just like Read-this.ai. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with AI, make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below to get started with Read-this.ai and my other favorite AI tools.